What's going on, guys? Quick video for you today. So I actually have my front passenger side wheel off because I wanted to check my brake pad thickness since I have an inspection coming up. I wanted to make sure that my pads were going to pass. But I figured while I have this off, I might as well show you what my coilover covers that I made look like. And this is after about 2 years or so. I'll annotate that if I'm not correct. But they've been on for some time now, and I figured I'd show you guys what they look like. So I'm just going to cut off the zip ties and show you what's underneath. I apologize if the camera is a little shaky. I am doing this one-handed. So as you can tell, there is some light surface rust on the bottom of the spring and the very top of the threads. And initially you might think that this thing right here is a piece of junk and isn't doing what I wanted it to do. But on the contrary, it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. So when I installed these struts, I actually coated the threads in grease. It's actually marine grease, so it's waterproof. And I was hoping that it would last for a long time. And these boots right here are keeping off a lot of the elements, and they're keeping that grease in place so that it doesn't get worn away as quick. The idea behind that is when I pack the threads with grease, they are going to keep out the water and protect them. On my last set of coilovers, the threads rusted so bad that I could not move them at all, and that's why I had to get these new ones. So the threads right now are packed with dirt and dust and little stones and rocks and debris. But if I would ever go to adjust them, I could easily wipe away that grease. It would carry away those stones, and then I could readjust them to whatever height I want them to be, and I won't have problems with rusting. And of course, after I do that, I'm going to repack them with grease. So far, these are working and they're doing what I wanted them to do. And if I remember correctly, it cost me about 20 bucks for all 4 of them because I built them myself. And the marine grease that I got also was, I think, $5 or $8 for a tube, something like that. Well worth the price. And that is also doing exactly what I was hoping it would do. So I'm very happy to see that these coilovers are holding up very well after even 2 winters of use. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Light surface rust towards the... and this is after about 1 or 2 winters. The threads, before I